Please join me in extending our warmest welcome to our distinguished guest of honor and speaker, no other than our very own Dr. Diosdado M. San Antonio.
Mahal Leia Rabago, our center director, it really touched me that when I was assigned to do this talk before my retirement from Innotech. Ethics and accountability. When we were formulating the acronyms, our madam actually does not feel very good about having acronyms, but in that end, if you don't know how to formulate acronyms, you'll not be promoted. So we have to create something. When we were designing this, we told my staff, Doxical and Tangle, and lately, Bani, I heard the former manager of LGMO say that the word is Bani, brittle, anxious, nonlinear, and incomprehensible. In one forum I attended, I heard a Malaysian co-member of a panel claim that actually it's all about chaos in our midst. So that's our world. That's it. As we know, the scores tell us, we will announce. We had Manila papers around the room where the meeting was held, and then the top 25 we said will proceed to the interview and the examination. So we only had to do the process, the whole thing for 25 instead of when you secure an endorsement from anybody else. You're telling me, when I was the regional director, that you are not confident that you can compete in a very fair system. So you're telling me you're not good, should be put at the bottom of my choices when I make the recommendation for. The more you are able to get feedback from the ground, the better are your decisions. Because if you ask people to report what is the status of the people on the ground, they will always sanitize the report. Partner with a struggling school. So learning from one another with mentoring, but at the school-to-school level. And then rendering reports, transparency boards are supposed to be updated and accurate, monitoring the liquidation of MOOE, holding financial management training, disseminating school report card, and maintaining. We were in the top 5 best regions. We have this Facebook page of the T-Governance Advocates on FB with 31,000 members. We've been undefeated since the year I joined Calabarzon as champion in the National Schools Press Conference. We were also recognized as exemplary implementing governance values through a recognition and incentive system. We had that during my time. We had the T-Governance Ambassadors. We recognized them at the end during our governance. Remember my ideal leader using 6 words: proactive, meaning you don't wait for people to tell you what to do. Just when you believe that something is worth doing, do it. And then results orientation is clarifying what time. Your first priority when you get assigned as a leader is to look for your successor. If you fail to identify and train your successor, you will, as far as I am concerned, you are a failure. And of course, I brag that many of the regional directors now, I think in my count, 5 of them can join an organization as superintendent, as regional director. Normally, may mga sip-sip dyan. They will whisper, wag mag-ingat ka dyan, ganito. I started with everybody on a clean slate until they prove to me that they are not worthy of my trust. Anyway, so these competencies for leaders, Prince, are actually somehow aligned, but it is a collective leaders in Calabarzon. We were so self-aware. We knew our limits, we knew our imperfections, we recognized them. But because personally, I feel that if you're not aware about what's wrong with you, you'll not end up improving. Emotional, different bureaus who were the ones on top also of making sure that the delivery of all their mandates are accomplished. So what I just did was to clarify, these are the things we will do. How you are going to do it, bahala na kayo dyan. Trust judgment without contingency or situational leadership approaches. You deal with your subordinates according to their nature, their maturity, and their
ability are not just ideals, but rather these are commitments. These are everyday commitments. These are concrete actions that we must practice to create a culture of trust in our schools and in our organizations. So thank you, Sir Dads. And on behalf of Senior Innotech, we thank you all for joining us. May today's exchange inspire us to lead with integrity, courage, and compassion.
I'll present a certificate of appreciation and a token of recognition. For that, may we invite our dear director, Dr. Maha Lea B. Rabago, the Center Director of CMU Unitec, of appreciation, a heartfelt gesture of our gratitude and esteemed appreciation for his services to the center. So allow me to read the citation. The Southeast Asian Ministers of Education Organization, or CMU, the Regional Center for Educational Innovation and Technology, presents the Certificate of Appreciation to Dr. Diosdado M. San Antonio, Manager